JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Cumming, Georgia today. As you can see, it's about 10:40. We just finished up this 9:30 job. Forget how many areas it was. Living room, 2 flights of stairs, 4 bedrooms upstairs, and a hallway. Should have been a 320. Gave her a free area because when we gave her the price on the 6 areas, she added a 7th. And to show our appreciation, we added an extra room she didn't ask to be done, but she was appreciative that it was free. So extra 10 minutes worth of work. You know, it's like I said, the customers appreciate free stuff, so when you can do that, you certainly should, because they turn into customers and referrals for life. So there wasn't much here. She does have a couple dogs, several cats, and kids, but the carpet was in pretty good shape. So probably used about 2 gallons worth of cleaner, some disinfectant. We're a couple spots, but again, no charge for those. Those are included. No per spot fees, no upsells, hidden charges. As long as you pay cash or check, you pay exactly what we call epic pricing, exact pricing quote. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business, so if you're interested, like I said, this is a $280 job. Took just over an hour. Very lucrative business. We're happy to put you into it, get you going, consult with you, help you out, get you established and rolling. You can find us on the web at omgfloorcare.com/Mondays if you're interested in starting your own business and working your own hours. I heard the traffic report this morning. It sounded awful. So if you're interested in working, within 5-10 miles of your house every day, that's what we do. Although today I think it was 15 miles. Anyway, 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching, and always be kind.